allow me to explain generally about hydroforming. Hydroforming is a specialized type of die-forming that uses a high-pressure hydraulic fluid to press room-temperature working materials into die. There are two types of hydroforming process, which are sheet hydroforming and tube hydroforming. As for my presentation, I will focus on tube hydroforming only. For tube hydroforming, the process will change the cross-sectional shape of a tube from the normal round to other shapes that change along with the part's length. In this process, there are two major practices, which is one of them is high pressure. For high pressure, the tube is fully enclosed in a die prior to pressurization of the tube. The other practice is low pressure, where the tube is slightly pressurized to a fixed volume during the closing of the die. Next, I'm going to explain how this method working. Pressure is applied into the tube that was held by dies with the desired cross sections and forms. When the dies are closed, the tube ends are sealed by axial punches and the tube was filled with hydraulic fluid. The internal pressure can go up to a few thousand bars and it causes the tube to calibrate against the die. The fluid was injected into the tube through one of the two axial punches. Axial punches are movable and their action is required to provide axial compressions and feed materials towards the center of the bulging tube. Transverse counter punches may also be incorporated in the forming die in order to form protrusions with small diameter or length ratio. Transverse counter punches may also be used to punch holes in the workpiece at the end of the forming process. This process has become popular in the manufacture of aluminum bicycle frames and most of vehicle major components. Main automotive applications such as suspensions, radiator supports, instrument panel support beam, and many others also go through this process. The advantage that we can get is any item that is built with this process can be made more efficiently and cost effectively, which means there will be less waste of raw materials. Other than that, unique shapes are possible with indents or angles, or we can say that the ends of the tube could be round or flattened center sections. Moreover, with this process, we can have even thickness of the metal. It means that the process can reduce unseen weak spots which can break more easily. Last but not least, this process are less hazard to employees since that it can be conducted at room temperature.